to make matters worse, the U.S. has a large fiscal deficit. By the way, if you look at American fiscal numbers, we look like the A student. Right? When you look at the size of the U.S. deficit, you say, hey, Philippines is a much, much better managed economy than the United States. By the way, I will agree, except that when it comes to the long run, we are the worst in managing for the long run. Okay, what it is about Filipinos that we can manage for the short run, but never manage for the long run. But my answer is, we reward politicians for being myopic. And they become myopic. Well, I'll talk about these problems later, but I'll go with the flow. Okay, so we use big U.S. economy, our principal market, and it turns out when you look at our exports to other countries, they are indirect exports to the U.S. Like our biggest exports to China is not bananas and pineapples. Although if every Chinese ate one banana a week, we'll have a boom in bananas. But our biggest export to China are really semiconductors. And, well, guess what? The biggest market of China, the computers, is the United States. So although it looks, there was a dependence on the U.S. markets much, much higher than the numbers suggest. When you look at how much of our exports to Thailand, Taiwan, Chinese mainland are all actually indirect exports to the United States. That's the unfortunate thing. A long history of dependence on the U.S. market is now our major liability. Okay, and as I said, when you adjust for prices,